Hello everybody, this is Deidre with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I have the new idea book / catalog from close to my heart. It is the March-April 2022. There is, of course, still the core catalog that lasts all year till September, I believe, the current one. They are going to start doing, starting in July, they're going to extend these for 3 months instead of just 2-month catalogs, which I think is a great idea because with the 2-month, if you don't get something ordered quickly, they're not going to replenish it. It's going to be kind of a while supplies last. And at least with 3 months, you have a little bit longer. And as a maker and somebody who sells the product and uses the product, I really like that little extra time. So let's take a look at this one. Oh, by the way, if you place an order, whichever catalog is current, the first time you place an order during that catalog period, so for this one, March and April, you'll receive a catalog in your order. So that's always good. I love to have these just for the inspiration. I save them all. So this is information on becoming a maker, which is what I am. You get the 25% commission or 25% discount on what you order. And there are other perks, of course. And then they also have the VIPs now, which get 15% off of their orders. You qualify for free stamp sets. You get just all different exclusive offers. You're not someone who's trying to grow a business. You just want the discount and you order a lot, so it's a good deal for you. And also, you get to order things earlier than other people and see things earlier, which is always nice. Okay, this is a subscription plan for scrapbooking and the one for card making, and they're a great deal. I do the card making one, and as a gift, I gave the scrapbooking one to my best friend, and she every 4 months now receives this. I think she's way behind. Linda, you need to catch up. I try to do these as soon as they come out and make a video. So this video I will link if you want to see the current one. Really cute cards and some fun folds and some slim lines. It was cute this time for sure. Okay, there's 2 new collections in each of these little mini catalogs. The first one is called Cake Day, and I'm loving this one. So I did order some of this. Now I have a very full, crowded craft room, so I'm pretty picky about what I order, and I'll tell you what I've got out of this catalog so far, and I'll be playing with. So this one, they had one similar a few years ago. I love that one side has a very, a print you could use for anything, and the other one's very birthday specific, or at least present specific, but also that they have the colors. So if you didn't want to do all of this pink, well, you've got the blue happy birthday on the back. So I love that about these collections. Okay, so first of all, you can order just the paper pack or the paper pack and the stamp set. And I think it's a really reasonable price for this right here. This is normally what I do with collections. With this one, there's the dots with this one. So there's always some kind of ephemera. So this one has what they're calling Cake Day dots with the colors that match. There's always a pack that you can purchase that is the cardstock that matches. So you don't have to buy a pack of each color if you just want the coordinating, which I really love that idea too. There are digital art collections for your Cricut. And there are also these Picture My Life cards. So the pocket scrapbooking cards, journaling cards. So here is a stamp set that coordinates. And this one they consider a card making stamp set because it works best on cards, but you can use it for anything. And this one they designed as a scrapbooking stamp set. So the pieces are typically going to be bigger and just have more stuff on it that you would think, more wording and things that you would think would go on a scrapbook or a memory layout. Okay, so here is the Scrapbooking Workshop. You can purchase it with or without the sheet protector. So if you didn't do 12 by 12, or like me, you're stocked on sheet protectors, you don't have to get those. So it comes with all the things here. This stamp set, at first I was like, what is that on that stamp set? But it is these little pieces that look like little asterisks. And then it is also, you can probably see here on these packages how they've got the bows here and the little ribbon or twine or whatever it is supposed to be there. And that is how you stamp it. It has all the little pieces that you would stamp on the different presents. I think that is adorable. And then over here it has this banner piece that's right here with the little bows on each end. And then there's a little piece that's for like the sticks or the strings on balloons right here. So I think that's a great idea. So cute. And of course the scrapbooking ones, they come with all the cutouts and pieces. They're really easy to put together. If you want to do some quick layouts, that's the way to go. This is usually what I get my mother for her birthday presents because she doesn't have to think about it. She just puts together scrapbook layouts. You can do it quickly. This is the one I went ahead and purchased, which is the card making kit. And the reason I did is look at that. So it has a little pull, you pull it out and it has a message on the cake slice. So you can have it say happy birthday. So up here, you know what gets better with age, and then you pull it out and it says you. And then there's one that says it's your day. So I love that. Such a cute idea. So I think this is really a good deal if you want to try out card making, or if you're a seasoned card maker. They're always going to, or usually they're going to put up videos on the Facebook group for Close to My Heart, and sometimes on the YouTube also. And I'll be doing this one on a video. So you receive a stamp set, the coordinating die cut. This one comes with the Cake Day dots. You receive a few pieces of the printed paper, and then the coordinating papers that you're going to need to make them in the solid colors, and always a white for your stamping. And then the card bases and the card designs, the card envelopes. So this one is going to do 4 each of 4 different designs. So you're going to make 16 different cards from this, and I think that's a great deal. And so it's $34.95, which to me is just an awesome price for a stamp set, a die cut, some sort of ephemera, and the paper and the envelopes and card bases. So I think that's a great deal. And that's usually the way I go when I want to play with the new collection. This is the second collection. It's called In Full Bloom, and the colors are gorgeous. So it's Lagoon, Glacier, Mint, Avocado, Lemonade, Mink, White Daisy, and Black, of course. But it's got a really watercolor look to it that's very, very pretty. And I love the little cameras. It's so cute. So here is the paper collection, the double-sided papers. And here's the sticker sheet. And then the coordinating cardstock, the digital art collection, and the Picture My Life cards. And this one has die cuts as its ephemera, as its little add-on piece. And they are black paperboard die cuts. So in case you're wondering, sometimes they're plastic. They have different ones. This I may get later on. I haven't purchased it yet because I'm just considering it. But so the stamp is this bottom portion here, and you'd stamp it twice to get this effect. Once at the top, once at the bottom. And then it has all these little sentiments that would go inside here. So it is a stamp, and then it is a die cut, a thin cut also. And so it's going to cut all the way around perfectly. And I love that look. You could, of course, turn it the other way. But really pretty. And then here is the stamp set that they consider to be a more scrapbooking stamp set for this. And look how big the flowers are. I mean, this is really pretty to do. And they just did a little watercoloring on there, which I love that look. Okay, here is the In Full Bloom scrapbooking kit. Really pretty. And I love that stamp set. Gorgeous. And then it looks like it comes with, let's see, paper exclusive die cut sheet, paperboard. Okay, so this is a die cut sheet, paper packet sticker sheet, cardboard, cardstock sheets, exclusive pattern paper sheets, die cut sheets, which are these, black paperboard die cuts. Okay, that's that. And it's a stencil. Okay, so for this one, there's a stencil. How cute is that? So I don't think I've ever seen one with a stencil before. Maybe a while back, but it hasn't been for a while for sure. Here is the card kit, which also is gorgeous. I love this die cut here. So there's a die cut for the butterfly, and also to do this little, it looks like film negative. And I love the designs they did. So pretty. And then here they always have some mix-in papers that would coordinate with either of the collections in this catalog. So I love that. You've got some balloons here, some weathered gray wood looking, and some prints that say Paris. It looks like newsprint. Really, really pretty. I love all of these. The polka dots, XOXO, really pretty. And I love to get these too. I'm a sucker for these mix-in colors. Okay, here are the new stamp sets. This is a kind of Thinking of You Sympathy stamp set. So pretty. And what is pretty with these, if you have never done it before, is to stamp her out on some printed paper and then cut that out for the boots and add on top. I love to paper piece these stamp sets like this that have the big umbrella. I mean, that would be so cute paper pieced. And here is an Easter stamp set, a full-size one. It's really pretty. I love this huge Happy Easter. And then you have this one that's the 2 eggs and this really almost realistic looking bunny. It's really pretty. Snuggle Bunnies, it's called. Love that. here is another Easter with the cross and the He is risen. And then here's their Mother's Day. I love the floral mom. That is really pretty. I always love that. First our friend, forever our, no, first our mom, forever our friend. That's a really pretty saying I've seen on cards. And here is, this one says mother, and it has the description. Mother, noun, person who loves unconditionally, maker and keeper of memories, finder of all things, someone who sees the best in her kids even when they drive her crazy. See also cheerleader, teacher, angel. And then they have the same thing with father. Just really pretty. And here's a couple of Father's Day stamp sets and thin cuts if you want the thin cuts. Of course, you can always buy the stamps separate. And here are for the pet parents, the dog and the cat one. So cute. Here's a really whimsical horse. Pretty Little Ponies, this one's called. And here is a wildlife stamp set. I love the little dots, sort of a shadow looking for all of these. And they've stamped them in all the different colors. That's really pretty. And then this one is Where the Road Ends. Level Up. That's cute. Happy birthday to my favorite gamer. And this one is called Number One Fan. And then they have a couple of small ones here. So here's the congrats with the, looks like the little diploma rolled up in a floral. And then this one says you did it on top of books with the little hat. And then we have some things that are designed for the large slim lines, but you could really use it a lot of different ways. These now I think are pretty much exclusive to the large slim lines, but I love these large sentiments. They could go on the inside or the outside of your card. And then they have these few little pieces here to decorate. And you see how they put this at the top and the bottom of this saying here. And they've got some of the bigger sentiments, really pretty. And then this floral, I think this floral you could use for anything, but it really does look good, this larger floral on a full-size slim line. And as always, they're going to tell you the colors they used over here in case you want to copy those colors. And then we have a couple, oh, this one is, I think, more for scrapbooking, or that's what they're considering it, memory keeping. I do love these lines when you're doing memory keeping. My handwriting's not the best, and I can definitely go to slant without intending to. So I do love that they come up with these and include the places where you would journal. Okay, and this is the March stamp of the month. Really cute little puns. Have a whaley good day. Get whale soon. Really cute. These would be cute mini cards or even the mini slim lines. They've done these on the A2, which really cute also. As long as you highlight these little pieces with something, you know, a circle or an oval or something, so they kind of draws your eye to the little piece. I think that's really cute. I love the crab one. Just be claws and oh crab, I forgot. I love those. Okay, and here is the April stamp of the month. Really pretty. I just ordered that one with this catalog stuff that I just ordered, but I already have this one I need to play around with. And then here is the Operation Smile stamp, and this is the same. It will stay all year. So this, if you purchase this stamp set, and it's a full price stamp set, $7 goes towards Operation Smile, which if you don't know, it is close to my heart's favorite charity, and it's a nonprofit that does surgeries to repair cleft palates all over the world for kids. And so $7. Also, when you place an order, and I would love it if it was with me, I will link my shop below, but when you place an order, it asks you if you want to round up, and I always round up to the next dollar, and that goes to Operation Smile also. So really cute idea book this time. If you want to take a look at the things on my website, I will link below, and I will come back and of course play with this card making kit I purchased, and hopefully I'll get around to doing something with that stamp of the month. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.